Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play NBA eras in 2K24. This exciting mode allows you to dive deep into the rich history of professional basketball, experiencing iconic periods with authentic rosters and rules. You can begin a new My NBA save and select your preferred era right from the start. It's a fantastic way to rewrite history or relive legendary moments, offering a fresh and engaging experience every time you play. Get ready to step back in time and build your dynasty across different generations of the sport. Once you enter the NBA eras mode, your first step is to choose which historical period you wish to explore. Options typically include the Magic vs. Bird era, the Jordan era, and the modern era, each starting at a precise historical year. After selecting your era, you'll pick your favorite team from that time. Think strategically about their initial roster and future draft capital, as these choices will significantly impact your dynasty's success over many seasons. Playing within an NBA era offers a truly immersive experience. You'll notice era-specific broadcast packages, complete with unique commentary and visual filters that transport you back in time. Gameplay rules also evolve. For instance, hand-checking might be more prevalent in older eras. Player ratings and tendencies are meticulously crafted to reflect their historical counterparts. Furthermore, the draft classes are historically accurate, allowing you to draft future Hall of Famers as they originally entered the league. To truly master NBA eras, focus on long-term team building. Develop your young prospects through consistent playing time and targeted training to maximize their potential. The trade market is crucial for acquiring players who complement your roster and fit the era's specific gameplay mechanics. Efficiently manage your team's finances and coaching staff to ensure stability. Most importantly, adapt your coaching strategies to the distinct challenges and opportunities presented by each historical period for ultimate dynasty success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.